Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna do an oil change on my 370C. This is the type of oil I go with. Well, that I've been going with. Um, he says it lasts till 15,000 miles. I usually go maybe 2,500 less, or until it tells me in the dashboard. But it never does. But I do it around the 10,000 miles, and I never seen it like run bad or something if I change it that late. Usually some other people do it like 3,000 miles, but I mean, I've been doing it since I owned this car for like almost 3 years and nothing bad has happened, so I'll still be going with that one and that filter. So yeah, let's start by raising the car up. One problem I always have is, since I'm on lowering springs, I mean, sometimes I have trouble lowering it, so sometimes, like right now, I'll probably have to force that in there just to be able to lift it up, at least from this side, so I can get to the bolt. So let's see. I had to go with putting something under the tire. I didn't have no 2x4, so I just pulled an old front rotor just so it can help me make this fit under. So let's continue. Okay, there we go. I used a different one because I don't know, this one, it wouldn't work because it had that. So yeah, there should be probably enough space for me to reach for the bolt. So let's do that. Okay, I'm under the car now. I'm about to take off that bolt. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. That bolt right there. And have that ready. I already loosened it, so this is where people get their hair dirty. Let me see, make sure. I'm probably gonna drop the bolt in there. Let's see if I'm quick. Yeah. And just wait until it's all out. Usually you also loosen up the cap on top just so it can be more faster, or I don't know. Now we do the oil filter, which is right there. It's hand tightened, so yeah, just loosen it and wait for that oil to leak out too. So let's see. I haven't run my car, so it's not hot, so I'm not too worried about the oil. There we go. Now I just gotta wait for it to stop leaking so I can put the new one. So let's open the hood. Was this my hood? My under the hood. So let's open this one just to get it ready. And maybe it helps it leak out more. So then now we just wait. It's still leaking a little bit, but from the oil filter it's already good, so I guess since I'm gonna wait for that, I'll just put the new oil filter. And just hand tighten it as hard as you can. And there. And for that, I mean, I can probably already put the oil, but let's just do it. And just put the towel under it so my floor don't get dirty. So I can at least close it with the bolt, but I still gotta get the bolt. There you go. And if you don't want to get your hands dirty, it's good to have a magnet just so you can get the bolt back. There you go. Another thing you can do if you have one of these, I mean, you can also check for metal shavings just to see if the inside of your engine is okay, I guess. If you don't find any big metal, so just go through the whole oil. I mean, I don't see any, so mine is good. Okay, I put the bolt back in. Now it's time to put the oil. I used the water bottle. I mean, I just ripped it in half, and so it can be easier for me to put in the oil. So let's see. I can probably do it one hand. So there we go. Throw that in the trash. And the oil, the old oil, you can always put it in that. That's what I do. So the next thing we're gonna do is close it. And then clean if you spilled some, or just a little drops. And all you have to do is start it and see if you don't get any leaks from the bottom, just in case you didn't tighten up the bolt that good. So let's leave it on for a little bit. An oil temperature like this one, I usually just wait until it goes like normal, like a little bit over 180. If it's not leaking over 180, then that means you're good. And on the 370, I mean, you can always set it up here. Let's see if it lets me so it can let you know for your next oil service. Let's see, maintenance oil, and mine is on 0 because I disconnected the battery, but let's set it for, I'll put it like for another like 10,000, maybe 12, because usually that's how long it lasts for that oil. I mean, it can go more, but I try not to take it to what it says, so maybe 13 is good. So we leave it there, and yeah, it should let me know when I do my next oil, since I don't go to service and they don't put like a little sticker up there, you know. And that's pretty much it. So I guess that's everything you need to know to do an oil change on a 370. So I'll see you later.